Sunshine for many as we head through the week, people flocking to beaches like I am this morning. Temperatures climb up to 35 degrees and yes, there is no rain in the forecast. We're party poopers, but right now I think having these live drone shots, seeing how beautiful it is, people heading to beaches is something to be enjoyed, but temperatures are climbing as we head through the week. And the big question from everybody is it a heat wave? And what constitutes a heat wave? Well, so yes, weather-wise, we have high pressure dominating, and it's just basically a force field that keeps weather fronts at base, but some make progress across the far north, bringing outbreaks of rain. Rain, something that is much needed in the south and something we will not be seeing for the next 7 days. So not welcome news here with all of the hosepipe bans in place for some and hosepipe bans pending. But what it does mean for today, beautiful sunshine, blue sky days across the board nearly, apart from the far northwest where we have our rain and showers, and temperatures responding accordingly. Up and where they were yesterday, top temperatures today up to 29 degrees across the southeast of England, and we're talking high teens, low 20s in the north. The outlook for this evening and overnight tonight is for the showers to slowly fade away through northern areas. The rain starts to retreat to more of the northern Isles and the western Isles of Scotland, and then elsewhere it's largely dry with some shallow mist and fog developing. And what we're going to start to see is temperatures climbing both by day and by night, with some tropical nights ahead as we head through this coming week. The outlook then as we head through the rest of the week is largely fine and dry. Temperatures climbing up to 35 degrees as we head through to Friday. Yes, so my area that was really sort of brown and grey and sort of very yellowy colour in the evenings or the mornings so that it doesn't evaporate. So
exactly,
yes,
yeah.
it is slowly getting there. Good morning to you. And talking of the sun, we got a gorgeous sunrise here this morning. It was literally like it is looking fine, dry and sunny. So let's take a look at our forecast then. And it's high pressure that dominates, acting like a force field. It's worth pointing out it's a very different setup to the heat wave from just a few weeks ago. We had a southerly flow, air coming up from Africa. Then across the near continent, this wind direction is southwesterly, which brings air from the mid-Atlantic, which isn't quite as hot. So we won't be reaching the same record temperatures. But as we head through the day today, it is blue skies and sunshine for many of us, but rainier skies for Scotland and Northern Ireland, something that the south is desperate for, but won't see in the forecast for the rest of the week. And today, with the blue skies and sunshine, temperatures climbing above average across the board, actually. We're talking high teens, low 20s in the north, and in the south, 28 or 29 degrees Celsius. So let's take a look at our 7-day outlook where our weekend is in view. So as we head through this week, we have high pressure with us, and it keeps weather fronts at bay by and large, and it's that means temperatures are set to climb day on day. But I was pointing out earlier, a very different setup compared to the extreme temperatures we had just a few weeks ago, where the air came from the south, from Africa. This comes from the mid-Atlantic, where it is not quite as hot, so the temperatures won't be getting as high. Today, though, in the sunshine, temperatures already starting to climb, and we're talking up to 30, 29, maybe 30 degrees Celsius as our top temperature, and then Scotland and Northern Ireland, just a little bit cooler, a little bit cloudier, with some outbreaks of rain, with temperatures here, high teens, low 20s. The outlook as we head through this evening and overnight tonight is for the showers and rain that have been in the northwest to slowly ease and just move a little further north. So the Northern Isles, Western Isles, we've got the chance of some rain here, but elsewhere it is looking dry. And with these dry conditions overnight comes increasing humidity, comes a risk of mist and fog. And what we'll see through the coming week is temperatures climbing by day up to 35 degrees by Friday, but by night as well, with 20 degrees for some, which means tropical nights ahead. Climbing because high pressure keeps us dry, and every single day the sunshine gets a little bit stronger and everything gets a little bit warmer. First thing today, we still have a weather front in the north though, so it brings rain for Scotland and Northern Ireland, for northwestern areas at least, the chance of a few scattered showers. England and Wales though, fine and dry. The winds are light, and with sunshine around today, temperatures peaking at around about 29 degrees Celsius. We're talking high teens, low 20s further north. Tonight, increasingly humid compared to previous nights, and it's worth pointing that out as we head through the week. Temperatures will be into the 20s, so tropical nights ahead, and the outlook for temperatures to climb day on day up to 35 degrees by Friday. Next week, temperatures are set to climb. And yes, I think for the start of this week, it's certainly something to celebrate. It's the summer holidays. We've got summer sunshine and temperatures are comfortable, high teens, low 20s. But later on this week, as we get just a little warmer each day, temperatures will climb up to the mid-30s potentially. So here's how it looks for today. Fine and dry with sunshine. Scotland and Northern Ireland, though, cloudy with rain and chances of some showers for far northwestern areas. Everywhere else is fine, dry and sunny. And temperature-wise, we're talking high teens, low 20s in the north. We're talking up to 29 29 degrees in the south with UV levels moderate to high, so don't forget your sun cream. This evening and overnight tonight, the showers start to ease, the rain pushes northwards. It's really the Northern Isles and Western Isles that keep this wet weather. Everyone else is dry, and every day we basically repeat this: dry and sunny in the south, and there appreciable rain with temperatures on the up.